Hey everyone, it's Jamie. Welcome back, and if you're new here, then welcome. Thank you for clicking on this video. In today's video, I will be showing you how I prep a 14-inch Dollar Tree wreath frame, and I'm also going to show you how I add mesh to it using the Ruffle method. So if you'd like to see how I do this, then please keep watching. So I'm going to be starting with a 14-inch Dollar Tree wreath ring. The 14-inch Dollar Tree wreath ring has 6 sections, and each section has 4 wires. By section, I mean from one weld seam to the other. So to wire this, I'm going to take one pipe cleaner, and I'm going to wire the 2 inner rings together. So I'm placing the pipe cleaner in the middle of that section and wiring the 2 inner rings together. Next, I'm going to take another pipe cleaner and I'm going to drop down to the bottom 2 rings. And from the left weld seam, I'm going to go over about 1.5 inches. And with my pipe cleaner, I'm going to wire the 2 outer rings together. Next, I'm going to go over and I'm going to add a third pipe cleaner, doing the same thing, going from the right weld seam over about 1.5 inches and wiring the 2 outer rings together. I will wire each of the sections with 3 pipe cleaners, giving me a total of 18 pipe cleaners. You will have 6 inner pipe cleaners and then 12 outer pipe cleaners. Once you have all of the pipe cleaners added, this is what your wreath frame should look like. For the ruffles, I will be using this 10-inch by 30-foot polypro mesh from Hobby Lobby, and I will be cutting 18 pieces to 20 inches long. To make the ruffle, I'm going to take a piece of mesh, unroll it, then I'm going to place something on the end to weight it down. Then I'm going to go down to the bottom of the mesh, place my thumbs in the center, then I'm going to push up, walking my fingers up the mesh, pulling it toward me. When I get to the end of the mesh, this should look like a bow. Next, I'm going to add the ruffles to the wreath frame. So I'm going to start with the inner pipe cleaner in this one section. I'm going to spread the pipe cleaner apart. Then I'm going to take my ruffle and I'm going to place it in vertically, with one finished edge going toward the inside of the wreath and the other finished edge going toward the bottom of the wreath. So I'm going to place the ruffle in the center of that pipe cleaner. Then I'm going to give the pipe cleaner a couple of turns just to secure it. Once my ruffle is in place, I'm going to fluff it out. Once my inner ruffle is placed, I'm going to drop down and I'm going to add another ruffle to the outer pipe cleaner. So I'm going to do the same thing that I did with the inner ruffle, and I'm going to open the pipe cleaner legs. Then I'm going to place the ruffle going vertically. I'm going to place the ruffle down in the middle of that pipe cleaner, give the pipe cleaner legs a couple of twists to secure it. Then I'm going to fluff out my ruffle. I will go through and add a ruffle to each of the pipe cleaners. And here's how the wreath should look once all of the ruffles are added. Now it's ready for you to add your touches. If you want to add a sign, any kind of embellishment, ribbon, a bow, anything that you'd like at this point. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up because that really helps out my channel. And if you'd like to see more wreath tutorials, hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so that you know when I upload a new video. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. I wanted to thank you all for watching, and I'll talk to you all later. Bye!